Hello, today I would like to show you my purchase of Lithops and to share some information about these unusual looking plants. I will also show you my current collection of Lithops. So I ordered 7 plants plus some seeds, so watch out for the future video. They are native to southern Africa, growing level with the surface of the ground amongst the rock and sand, so they prefer a little organic material in the substrate. So I tend to use only around 10% of soil, and the rest is pumice, grit, lava rock and perlite. So the first Lithops that I ordered is 3 years old. As you could see, it has already flowered, so I'm looking forward to see flowers next year. And the other 6 Lithops are around 2 years old, so they need to be at least 3 to 5 years old before they start blooming. Lithops, the name is from the ancient Greek, and I found that the first part means stone or rock, and the other one, depending on the source, means face or similar to. And also they are known as living stones, as you can see, they really do resemble stones. They are also commonly known as buds. Me, all started with this particular Lithops, and I've already made a video called the life cycle of Lithops, so I will link it up above, so please do check out. Lithops, it's the same for singular and plural word. They come in different colors, patterns, and the unusual shape is due to the fact that they must conserve as much water as they can. They draw moisture from mist or fog. So as mentioned before, they live among sand and rock leveled with the ground, so they are protected in that way from predators and also from the sun, so the sunshine beams through those cells that look like windows. Cultivation gives them as much light as possible, so a south-facing window would be the best. If they don't receive a good amount of light, you will see they will start growing slender and elongated and leggy, and also they may lose their coloration. If you look closely at their body, you will see that there are 2 kind of succulent leaves which are fused together. In the middle there is like a slit or fissure, from which, like in this example, you can see the new leaf starting to emerge. So this is called a splitting. Also, the flowers emerge from this fissure. For successful cultivation of Lithops, you need to follow the watering schedule, which is unusual and not typical to any other succulent. In summer they go dormant, so don't water them at all because it may lead to rot. Then throughout August, September, even to November, depending on the type of Lithops, you will start to see that they begin to grow, and the fissure between the leaves is starting to separate and the bud may appear. The flowers are yellow and white, and this is when you start watering them as well. Just remember that the soil has to dry out between watering. I give them the last ring around October, and I don't give them any water at all during winter. In this time they still grow, and you will see the new leaves emerging from between the old ones, and they take nutrients and water from old leaves which start to shrink. You can resume watering in spring by first watering them lightly and then increase the amount of water gradually. I find the whole process of transformation really fascinating, and the colors and different patterns makes them really attractive to grow. And last thing, this is not a Lithops, although in the shops you may find sometimes labeled as such. It's split rock,